must be born again. Paul wrote this text out of a Roman jail. He was suffering for the cause of Christ in a prison in Rome. And he wrote it to the church in the area of Ephesus. And Ephesus was in Asia Minor near Turkey. And it was about 50 miles south of Smyrna. And in that day, they had the Temple of Diana, where people would come and worship the goddess Diana. And just like today, we've got people worshiping everything else but God. And so Paul wanted to make sure that the churches in that area understood where their faith was. And it was in Jesus Christ alone. And he wanted to encourage them to keep on in the good works that God had assigned for them to do. Now the question for us today is, are we doing good works that anybody can do? Or are we doing works with a purpose?